Good morning, ma'am.
Everybody, please open your cameras.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. Children, what is your update of the poster work? Huh? How many of you have shown me? How many of you have shown me? Children, are my signals fine? Or my voice is cracking or doubling or my video is pausing in between?
Ma'am, your video is falling in between.
Yes, it
Your
is.
mic is clear.
My voice is clear. So let me just put my video off because we teachers are facing a lot of network problem these days. Now tell me, beta, Shreyansh, how much have you done? The types of waste.
Ma'am, half is left only.
Half is left. Beta, please send me the pictures. I really want to see because other class students have also done it. They have done it so well. I'm just going to share a poster with you, with your class. Now, everybody, please check your class group. See how nice these students make. You can also do the same kind of work, beta. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
What wonderful work children give. Shaurya and Apurva, beta, bring your work in front of the camera. Let me see how much you have done.
Okay.
And Shreyansh, you also better show it to me on camera. I'm not feeling good about this class. You people are taking too long to finish just a small piece of work. Very nice. Solid waste is nice. Now what you have drawn in hazardous? Show it to me, beta. What you have drawn in hazardous waste? Okay, fine. How much is left, Shaurya?
Ma'am, 2.
2. Now, beta, please be careful of one thing, that your picture should be big. Don't draw small pictures. Can you see the poster I just shared with you? How
Yes,
big the
ma'am.
pictures are. I wanted your pictures to be this big.
Okay, ma'am.
Shreyansh Patel, beta, show me your work. Shreyansh is not showing me.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I have joined right now. Please tell me what are we doing?
Noel, have you shared your poster with me, beta? Noel, have you shared your work with me?
No, ma'am.
Why? Have you completed your work? If not, shown it to me. How much is left?
Ma'am, I just have to color it.
Beta, please do it fast and share your work with me today. See, I have shared a poster on your class group. How beautiful
Okay,
the
ma'am.
poster is looking. Other class students are also doing this work. Just check and tell me how do you like it. How many marks will you give for that poster? The one I have posted on your class group. I want to know it from all of you. How many marks does
Ma'am,
this
how many marks will be total? 10 or 5?
total 10 on how you take your classes, how you behave in your classes, how well you respond in your classes. Okay, the teacher asks you something and what students do, how much they listen to the teacher. 5 marks for this and 5 for the work that is given to you. So tell me, how many marks will you give for this poster?
Ma'am,
No,
I think so 9.
9. So what are you cutting the 1 mark for? What didn't you like?
Ma'am, the thing I didn't like is that there was not little bit shading, and that the liquid waste days, it just looks like the water is blue. It doesn't look like it is dirty.
Okay. All right. Agreed on this point that the water should have been brown. But still, don't you think
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
so beautifully made? So neatly
Yes,
it
ma'am.
has
Ma'am,
been labeled
beautifully
and
made.
everything. It has been outlined so well. The pictures are big enough. You can understand them very clearly. All right, now today you have to submit your work to me. Everybody.
Ma'am, what we will do?
Okay, Advika Gupta. Advika Gupta, now let's get ready for the next poster as well. There are 5 posters in all that you have to make. Now, better do one thing, Advika. Meanwhile, the next poster I told you will be on the topic diversity, unity in diversity, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you have to collect various pictures showing unity in diversity in India. It could be festivals, it could be food, it could be costumes, it could be anything, landforms, or anything. You have to draw these various pictures, or you can even stick pictures. You can paste these pictures on your poster. Choose any one topic through which you think you can portray unity in diversity in the best way. Fine?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So you
Ma'am,
open
can
that
you
chapter. You can open that chapter first, unity in diversity, and then think of a very interesting topic. You'll come through a lot of points in that chapter that will help you. Yes, Noel?
Ma'am, can you repeat what the
Beta,
things you are saying?
okay, my instruction was for Advika because she was the first one to complete this poster. But since you people have not done this poster only, so how can I give you the next instruction? So first you people finish this work, then this instruction will be repeated for you. Fine?
Ma'am, can I use sketch pens also to color the pictures?
Yes, definitely. You must use sketch pens to outline them or to even color them.
Okay, ma'am.
Whatever you will label in your poster, whatever you have to write it with sketch pen only. First write it with pencil and then use sketch pen over it.
क्या हो गई है मैसेज भी यहाँ पर
क्या
तुमने कैसे बता रखा है
अपना डेटा ही है।
अच्छा तो मुझे अरे आगे लगता है आगे
क्या
आगे
Ma'am, please see my.
Very nice. Very good work, beta. Click the picture and send it on the class group.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, can I show how I have colored the recycle picture?
Yes. Yes, beta. Share.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have used a little bit dark green, light green, and shading of
Yellow.
blue.
Yes, beta. It's looking very nice. Good work.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Okay, let me just check. A. Riddhi beta, what is the spelling of waste? Your heading of the poster, there is a big spelling mistake. What is the spelling of waste, beta? Make an E over there. Okay, Riddhi? Are you listening to me, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
And everywhere in the poster, you have written W-A-S-T. Make E everywhere. Okay, wherever you have used the word waste.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, total how many pictures we have to collect?
Now, beta, when you will make it on a chart paper, you'll have to. What topic are you taking?
And festivals.
So I think you should collect at least 15 different festivals. And the pictures should be big.
Okay, ma'am.
And if at all there is any empty space left in your chart paper, you can write down something. It is not only that we have to stick pictures, we can also write something related or of the topic festivals. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Draw that particular food item. Okay. And when you're making a
Okay, ma'am.
collage, when you're showing unity in diversity, there should be at least 15 to 20 pictures in your poster.
Okay, ma'am.